Alright guys, Jamaican Shores fishing here guys, out here today. We're basically we're gonna try a little bit of drop line fishing today guys. And I came onto a spot and I'm already in difficulties with this hook. And let's get this thing, see what we can kill here today guys. Come on. That's up the prime guys, big fish swimming around down there. Fish finder's working beautiful guys, love this. This is showing all my telemetries. Everything guys. So I'm gonna roll up on the side of that big old boat up there. Snappers might be hiding underneath it or something. Pick up guys. Oh, I got fish guys. This was already passed. Fish on guys. Fish on guys. Making sure fishing. Got ourselves a little snapper. So making sure fishing here guys. Look at that. Huh? Hey guys, look at this. We got ourselves a snapper guy. You're a little guy. You're lucky. Go back. Yeah. Got another nice snapper. So that shows potential over there, guys. So I'm gonna head back over here and see if I reel my boat in it. Come back in. See you in, I come. I'm just gonna do a slide back in.